Notice has served in another village. Please come to page 11. Your
Then why are you bothered?
Lordship.
If it is sub to somebody else, you don't be bothered.
Lordship, in the
Why did you go and appear then before the tribunal? Who asked you to go and appear before the tribunal?
my name, my father name is same here, Lordship.
Name,
But the
whatever it
address
is,
is different.
you
Village is
can't
different.
take this plea now that notice was served somewhere else.
Lordship.
Once an expert is there,
Yes.
after you have appeared.
Lordship.
Once you have appeared, you have appeared.
And Lordship,
This
it's-
objection cannot be taken at
Yes.
this stage now.
This is, this impugned order is of 2012, Lordship. 10 years after that, my friend is approaching this
So
court.
you pay cost, go back. If you want, if you don't
And-
want, this is not an acceptable
In
reason.
10 years, he has got all the documents also.
Mr.
Lordship.
Counsel, it cannot be an acceptable reason that a notice was served in some other village.
Yes.
Therefore, I went to the tribunal, but thereafter it is my discretion whether to appear or not to appear. This is not accepted.
Lordship, I will look at.
He's aware of
Petitioner
the.
is-
Once you have
proceedings, Lordship.
subjected yourself to jurisdiction, you appear before the tribunal, establish your
Only
case.
humble submission is petitioner is 80 years old, about 80
Doesn't
years old.
matter.
And he is.
There is
very
no
poor man.
classification of age
Lordship,
for the conduct in the tribunal. There's nothing like that.
Lordship, I am submitting regarding the cost, your Lordship.
Cost,
Cost
yes,
should
cost
be
you have
more,
to pay.
Lordship.
Lordship.
It
This
should
is
be an
the-
exemplary cost, Lordship.
This is the general order we are passing, and this is only a nominal cost
Lordship,
to indicate the wrong that you have done.
Lordship.
And if you want actual cost, we are ready to impose the actual cost also.
Nominal cost, your Lordship.
Then be happy with it.
Lordship.
Heard
P. Raman. P. Raman.
P. Rahman, when counsel for the petition, also heard the petitioner Majid Ali. 15, was referred to the Foreigners Tribunal number 2, Morigao, for rendering an opinion as to whether he is a person who entered the state of Assam on or after 2020, resulting in registration of FTC 146 2009. The petitioner initially appeared before the tribunal, but thereafter
Not appeared, your Lordship. Not
Hmm.
appeared.
He never appeared, but he knew about the proceeding, Lordship. Because
don't
it's
know, I don't
the
know.
police inquiries of 98. So he is aware that there is a proceeding against him, Lordship.
then we'll hear you some other day, not today. If you want a hearing on merit, we'll hear you.
Lordship, no, I not appeared. On record, on the impugned order itself, it is recorded that I am not appeared. I have not appeared. Type copy is page 15, your Lordship.
Who's the petitioner?
Mojid Ali.
Majid Ali. Your signature is there. Your signature is there in the
Yes.
notice.
Lordship, it is, the signature is there, but the petitioner disputed that he can sign, your Lordship.
It is not your signature.
He said that it is not.
Then we'll cause an inquiry. Then it's a
Lordship.
file an affidavit that this signature is not yours. The petitioner disputes the signature in the notice that it is not his signature.
Lordship.
Petitioner may file an affidavit to that effect so that an inquiry can be made. If you're wrong, you'll be in bigger trouble. If you're right, you'll be relieved.
It is stated in the petition itself.
Statement, we are not interested.
Lordship.
We are interested in verification of the fact.
Lordship.
If your signature had been fraudulently obtained from somebody, we'll cause an inquiry who had done it. That action will be taken against that man.
Lordship.
If you have made a wrong statement, order against you will be more severe.
Lordship.
Take your call. Which one you want? You take your call.
Lordship may remand back the matter and.
Then with cost.
Lordship.
Then you have appeared also.
Lordship.
Yeah, then we'll observe after receiving notice, you did not appear.
Lordship.
Up to you. You take your decision.
Lordship.
If you are confident this is not your signature, somebody had fraudulently put your signature there, we are going to cause an inquiry.
Yes.
If the result of the inquiry is in your favor, action will be taken against the person who had wrongfully put your signature there. If it is wrong, the order against you will be more severe. Two options are before you.
I'm more remand back the.
So
matter.
therefore, don't make all these submissions,
Lord.
unnecessary submissions. The petitioner initially disputes that the signature of Majid Ali appearing in the notice served by the process server is not his signature. But when the learned counsel for the petitioner was put to a situation as to whether he seriously disputes the signature so that an inquiry can be made, and if the result of the inquiry is in favor of the petitioner, appropriate action can be against the person who had wrongly incorporated signature, or if it is against him, more severe order can be passed against him. Mr. P. Rahman withdraws that statement and accepts that it is his signature. Accordingly, we understand that the notice was duly served, but the petitioner did not appear before the tribunal, resulting in the ex parte order dated 11/9/2012, declaring him to be a foreigner. We have noticed that even after being declared to be a foreigner by an ex parte, he evaded the authorities up to the year 2019, when this writ petition was filed. Considering the conduct of the petitioner, we, for the interest of justice, from the state point of view, we do not notice any infirmity in the ex parte order dated of the tribunal. But however, for the interest of justice, we afford another opportunity to the petitioner to discharge his burden under Section 9 of the Foreigners Act, that he is not a foreigner. But however, for the aforesaid conduct of the petitioner, a cost of rupees 5,000 be paid to the District Legal Services Authority, which district, Morigaon, and upon showing proof of the payment of cost to appear before the tribunal on so and so date of the video. Send back the LCR.
Hello, like.
Cost should have been more. It should have been 10,000.
But he can.
Not only more, you have also made a mischievous attempt to mislead the court here also. Cost of 10,000.
The cost should be on the council lordship because he's misleading the court.
I'm not misleading your lordship. This is-
Then let us cause an inquiry. Withdraw this order.
Lordship,
Yes.
lordship,
Want to face an inquiry? Yes.
lordship. Lordship, no, I'm not, I'm
No,
not
no.
preparing for.
Please be firm in your submissions. You can't,
I'm not misleading.
this
that's
is
why
a
I'm just-
formal court proceeding. You can't just go on jumping around from one stand to another stand all the time. We will not allow you. Take one firm stand,
Pay 5,000.
7,500.
Lordship, I take you.
We are not recording the reason for increasing that misleading and all, but
I'm sorry.
yes, Madam Ghosh.
May I please your lordship? Petitioner is Sattar Ali lordship.
Who is the father?
Father is Faraz Ali,
Page number,
alias Fazaruddin.
page number
Page number lordship 58,
58.
voters list of 1961.
Voters list 1961, page 58. Who's the father? Fazar Ali. This is
Fazar.
the voters list of
61.
Notun Deosor. Notun Deosor village, Hana Boko. Okay.
Nutun
fine.
Deoso. Yes, lordship.
Notun Deosor.
Yes, lordship.
And he is the father,
Yes.
and the petition.
Grandmother and
Grandmother
grandfather
is Kabula.
Kobula Bibi and.
Okay. Now,
Ismail
which
Sheikh.
document will show he is the son of Fazar Ali?
Lordship 85 voters list. But one small submission is here, lordship, 85 voters list while exhibiting before the learned tribunal. It was a single entry voters list. Later on, he took out the certified.
85 is a schedule of that.
No, not page 85, 85 voters list, page
Page-
78.
Page 78.
Yes, lordship.
So what happened? Page 78.
It's only Sattar.
Who is Sattar?
Sattar is the petitioner.
No, this is a elector photo identity card.
Page 78.
Huh.
77.
It's a 78, yes. $79 is no, case I assume maybe. Sattar Ali,
Yes, lordship.
WBC 714.
Yes, lordship. I think Yes,
sir.
Page
Lordship.
79 is some sale deed, page 78 is voter's identity card.
Lordship, if I'm allowed just to check whether my.
77 is type copy of voter's card.
85.
I'll just check.
77, 79, 79.
78 to 88.
I think there might be a mistake on my
Just
part,
check up
Lordship,
this.
with the page numbers.
No, his lordship's copy is telling with your page number. Here, page 78, 1997 voters list.
1985,
No, 78 of his lordship's copy is 77 voters list.
page number, some mistake is there. I'll just tally with court's copy, Lordship, then I'll make a submission, Lordship.
It will be not much time because we
Yes.
are having very few matters.
Lordship, I'd just like to submit the certified copy which he had got later on after filing this writ petition. So where all from 66 continuous voters list with family details, which means all the entries of the family members where he has casted vote along with his father. My humble prayer will, if this case is remanded back, he has
No,
enough.
we have to record something.
Yes, Lordship.
Then you do one thing, you argue from your, that bunch of papers.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
বাকি কিন্তু কলো নেকি একো কোৱা নাই No, whatever was shown, cursory glance appeared that these things are there, only the page numbers are jumbled.
In
Ah.
Lordship page, it's page 69. My colleague has checked that. Yes, Lordship,
No.
66.
Petitioner, বাকি ইনফেক্ট again, resulting in so petitioner refers to the voters list of 1966 of village Laruajan,
Yes, Lordship.
police station Soigao
Yes, Lordship.
in the Kamrup district, which contains the name of Fazaruddin, son of Ismail, at serial 169, and that of Kabila Nessa, wife of Ismail, at serial 170, where name of Ismail Sheikh, son of Tarif, appears at serial 168, and all are shown to be residing in the same house number 58. Similar information is also contained in the voters list of 1970 of village Laruajan. Now, which one you rely?
77 also.
What is
77.
the name of the petitioner? Sattar.
Petition-
Where is the
petitioner
name
is
of Sattar and
Yes, Lordship.
further
Page
together?
85. The voters list of 1985.
petitioner thereupon relies upon the voters list of 1985
Fourth in that bunch, fourth page.
of village Helasor.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, they have shifted. If we see voters list of 1979.
How will you prove your shifting?
Yes, Lordship, my family has shifted. Lordship, my humble submission is 77, father, mother, and then uncle, auntie.
Madam Ghosh, let it be next week. We'll examine. It
Yes,
takes some time.
Lordship,
Today,
Monday, Lordship. Yes, Lordship, I can
it's-
understand. Monday, Lordship,
Ah.
Monday.
Lordship,
And
respondent 5 needs to be striked off. It's a
So-
foreigner's tribunal.
Yes, Lordship.
do it.
On
As per for list also.
10, Lordship.
You take it back, give it.
Yes, Lordship. Page also we will.
You want to analyze the voters list and show and,
Yes, Lordship, because family had
okay, we'll
shifted.
do it.
Riverine area, Lordship.
Do something further. Obtain the downward and upward of the two villages.
Exactly.
That will even help you more.
And whether the names were
Hmm.
there or not.
My humble
Lordship.
submission will be, he had,
Then get hold of Mr. Ali.
yes, Lordship, because he had spent 10,000 to get this bunch of papers. I am providing pro bono, he did not pay my fees, but he had spent 10,000 rupees to get this certified copies.
Election Commission, Mr. Ali, make a request.
Yes, I'll make a request.
The Election Commission may produce the upward and downward voters list of village, give the name of two villages.
Yes, Lordship. Laurazan
Village Laurajan
and Devsar.
and Deosor and Thelasor
Yes, Lordship.
after the shifting took place.
79.
After 1979 in respect of village Laurajan and prior to 1979 in respect of village Thelasor. List after 2 weeks, because he will need some
Yes,
time.
yes, Lordship.
List also. Yes, three.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship,
Nizam Begum,
Mujiran Nessa.
Moziron Begum,
Mujiran
father,
Father is Abdul Aziz
page
Lordship.
number,
Voters list, grandmother only, voters list of 1989 Lordship, which I have annexed, is of the grandmother. This is the certified copy, but I have a normal voters list which shows father also has casted vote in the year 1989 Lordship. Which certified copy which she has exhibited.
I mean, these matters will take some time. Lordship can fix it up next week.
Monday
Because we'll
Lordship.
also need to go. My friend is referring to the list which is circulated before the elections, not a normal voters. list.
this voters list,
Yes,
to
Lordship.
whom my knowledge goes,
Yes, Lordship.
when you go to cast your vote in the polling station, one political party or the other hands you over a list, voters list,
For the
tick
serial
marking your
number.
serial number for
Yes,
your
Lordship.
convenience.
Yes, Lordship.
These are copies of that kind of a voters list.
Yes, I have the certified copy.
Which is reproduced by the respective political parties.
Yes,
And for the convenience of the voters, these are handed over.
otherwise certified copy, why I want to rely on this is the because
No, we
certified copy.
believe it, we accept that to be right.
Yes,
We pass the
Lordship.
order, but
Yes.
only thing tribunal will verify the original.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
But
Yes, Monday, Lordship,
just pray for this.
on 10th, Lordship. Deeply obliged.
For with motion, first time.
No, Lordship, Mr. Ali was asked to produce a voter list also 1979.
Adjourn on the prayer of, adjourn on the inconvenience of Mr. A.I. Ali.
My lord,
to-
I have collected documents.
You have also
from my-
collected.
From my own Lordship. My lord, 85, from 70, 73, 77, 79, and 85 Lordship.
Monday, ले लेंगे, आज ये
Monday,
रख
yes,
देंगे,
yes, Monday.
Monday.
Monday, Lordship.